question 4, it says the diagram shows 2 rods placed end to end. Work out an expression for the total lengths of the 2 rods in terms of x. Give your answer in its simplest terms. An expression, that means it won't have an equal sign in. Expressions are just some algebra put together. It's no equals. So an expression for the total length is just going to be this lot added to this length. So 5x plus 3 plus x plus 11. That's an expression for the total length here. That would be 1 mark. You have to give your answer in its simplest terms. So collect the x's together. 6x, collect the numbers, positive 3, positive 11, positive 14. So that there, 6x plus 14, that's your final answer, 2 marks. This diagram shows 3 rods, 3y minus 2, 2x and y. The length of these 3 rods is equal to the length of the 2 rods placed end to end as shown. So it's saying that the length of these 3 is equal to the length of the 2 rods here, and it's showing you that in the diagram. 5x plus 3 and x plus 11, which is the one from up here, is equal to the 3 rods shown there. Work out a formula for y in terms of x, give your answer in its simplest form, 3 marks. This is the type of question where a lot of people aren't sure how to work out a formula, what they're going to do. But that doesn't mean that you can't give it a go and break the problem down and usually get the answer in the end. So we know that these 2 rods are equal. So why not write that? So the length of this rods here, the 5x plus 3 and the x plus 11, which we know was 6x plus 14. So that top row is equal to the length of these bottom rods. And if we add those up, we'll get 3y minus 2 plus 2x plus the y. And if I just tidy that up, 3y plus a y, that's 4y minus 2 plus 2x. So that's the length of these 3 rods, and that's equal to 6x plus 14. I'm just going to get rid of, get off this one. Just get rid of that, it's in the way a bit. Whoa! Where did that come from? Little one. It's a bit better. Right. Back. So there we go. We're already have picked up at least 1 mark for that. And then it says we have to work out a formula in terms for y in terms of x. So we need to rearrange this mess here so it just says y equals and then some values of x. Some terms of x. So we need to get y by itself. Now y is here and it's positive, so I'm going to leave it on that side there and take everything else over. So I've got 6x plus 14, but I'm going to take the minus 2 over, so that'll be plus 2, and that plus 2x, take that over, minus 2x. And that leaves us with 4y. So we just need to get y by itself, so we'll be dividing everything by 4. But before I do that, I'm going to just tidy it up. I've got 6x minus 2x, that's 4x. And I've got plus 14 plus 2 plus 16, and I've got 4y. So we're now going to divide everything by 4 so that we just have y. So if we divide everything by 4, it's actually quite nice because that divided by 4 is x. And 16 divided by 4 is 4. So we've now got a formula in terms of x. It says y equals x plus 4. And that's all there is to it. And that's your final answer for question 4b.